We're in Lahore Polo Club with Mr. Mohsin Ikram, the founder and president of Vintage and Classic Car Club of Pakistan. And he has recently brought a rally of classic and vintage cars in Lahore Polo Club. So we're going to ask Ikram Saab about the vision behind this rally.
Well, we have a few objectives. One is that we love old cars. We call them cars our heritage on wheels. Like buildings, there's plenty of awareness that these buildings need to be saved. But these cars also have a lot of stories to tell. I mean, they belong to people of high prominence, and probably went for some very important meetings in them. We have saved. So our aim is to save these heritage cars, and when we do that, the only satisfaction that we can get out of is by driving them. So we enjoy them, we do small rallies and all that. But then 10, 11 years ago, we thought, let's spread this to Pakistan. And we started a rally from Karachi to Khyber. So now it's been 11 years. This is our 11th rally. We start from Karachi, 8 to 10 cars, and then the cars start building up. Like from smaller cities, people join in, and by the time we reach Lahore, we were like about 25, 30 cars. And tomorrow morning we are leaving for Islamabad. We'll be stopping in Noorpur village for lunch. Yeah. We do take these detours, and then to Islamabad. Then we have a car show at Sarina in Islamabad on 16th, which is a Tuesday. And next morning, which is 17th, we'll drive down to Peshawar, straight to Edwards College, who are hosting a lunch for us. So there'll be a get-together, a small car show in Peshawar with the Peshawar enthusiasts. And then we drive back to Islamabad and the rally ends. People who had come from Lahore would drive back to Lahore. We from Karachi will truck our cars from Islamabad to Karachi and take a flight back home. And like you said, why are we doing this? And one of the objectives is to tell the world, basically project a softer image of Pakistan. Because when they see these rallies and they see families traveling with us in open top cars, no security, no protocols, nothing, that gives a very positive impression of Pakistan, that Pakistan is a safe country and people are enjoying everything in Pakistan. It's not what they usually hear, that Pakistan is all about camel and mud houses and donkey carts and Kalashnikovs and
Yes, you're absolutely
So,
right.
so we project a very softer image of Pakistan, and it works because so many times foreign media has got in touch with me, including BBC and NPR, the National Public Radio of USA, many car magazines worldwide, Australian, American, British. They have interviewed me. I featured an article on me. I've been on cover of their magazines in the USA and other magazines. So. Yeah, so one of the main objectives is to project a softer image of Pakistan, and that's happening. Yeah.
Okay, very nice. And how difficult or easy is it to drive those cars all the way from Karachi to Peshawar? Do they have some maintenance issues in between?
No, these are very old cars. I was driving the oldest car in the rally, 1954 Austin Healey, 2700 cc, two-seater convertible with no top. Very tough to drive. Almost 70 years old. So these cars do have issues from time to time. But we have a flatbed truck following us. We have a service team in another car following us. If there's a breakdown, if they can fix it on the road, they do that. If the problem is bigger and the car has to be taken to some facility, so the car is put on the truck. And sometimes it happens like this time, two cars broke down. So one car was already on the truck, so the other car was towed by the same truck. And we have actually once in our rally, my service team had a Volkswagen van, 1958 model. And we were carrying a spare engine in that van along with the tools and stuff. So another Volkswagen, somebody driving the Volkswagen Beetle, his engine got burst near Khanewal. It was night time. So we actually swapped the engine.
Okay, wow. And you were able to do it then?
Right on the road, right on the highway.
Wow.
In the middle of nowhere, no lights, nothing. So we took about 2 hours and we put a new engine in that car, and then we continued on the rally. So it's a lot of fun, a lot of adventure, and a lot of bonding between the four provinces. Like we have people from all provinces. Like when we come to Lahore, our main group is from Karachi, who start from Karachi. Then our Lahore friends, they really do. I mean, just look at what a fantastic job they have done here, putting up this Noon Polo Cup. They sponsored this especially for our VCCP, that let's have a car show along with a polo match, let's bring in people. So a fantastic day out for the families in Lahore. And now when we go to Islamabad, our reps in Islamabad will be doing the same. And in Peshawar, the people in Peshawar are so excited that we are going to Peshawar. So it's a lot of fun, a lot of bonding is there. So it's all good.
Very nice. And lastly, sir, I'd like to ask you about an alleged coup attempt in your organization, if you'd like to comment on it at all.
So we are all friends. We were on same platform. There were some controlling issues. I don't know where you heard this from. Now, since you have asked, I have to answer. So yes, some friends thought that the club had to be run a certain way. Since I founded the club when I was a teenager, I had my very stubborn vision and how to take it along, how to take it forward. I keep the club as a totally zero commercial entity, just for fun, friends getting together, having fun. Nobody is, more equal than the other. Maybe the other group, some friends, they are friends, we are still friends. But they thought, no, the club has to be run this way. So yes, there was a coup attempt. And but Alhamdulillah, God is with those who are on the truth path. So Alhamdulillah, all okay, everything is fine. They have formed another club, and they normally call like it is our 11th rally. So they also tend to sometimes claim that it is their 10th or 6th or 8th or 13th, I don't know what. Now today there's a car show, another splinter group. They have a car show in Peshawar today at the Peshawar Club, and somebody sent me a picture of their banner, which is all over KPK, because it is government sponsored. It just says there's a car show. It says Karachi to Peshawar. Now there's a double meaning statement, because we are the only one doing a Karachi Peshawar rally, and we are.
So they're trying to use this brand.
Absolutely. So good luck to them. They don't matter at all. It's sad that some friends have some gone that way, some have, but things will, inshallah, will be fine up. But this is the main parent-father club.
Yes, absolutely. Yeah. And you're doing a great job. Thank you very much for speaking to the Pakistan
Thank
Daily.
you very much. It's a pleasure.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Likewise.